As you can see that I have a 4 GB USB, but if I insert it to my computer, it shows only 2 GB. I mean, out of 4 GB, it shows only 2 GB. So now let's see how to fix if your USB shows less space. Well guys, to increase your USB space, first you have to insert your USB to the computer. As you can see, I have inserted mine, and then you go to search option, write disk management. After you typing disk management, either it will come create and format hard disk partition or disk management. So you click on that. After you clicking on that, this option will come where you can see your computer disk, I mean the local disk, and after that you will see a disk 1 says removable disk. And as you can see, mine is showing two part. One is 1.97 GB is healthy and primary partition, and 1.78 GB is unallocated. That's why it shows my USB less space. So for that, first we have to unallocate the whole USB. So we have to unallocate this USB now. For that, you go to your search option once again and type run, and click on this and type over here CMD, then press OK, and these options will come, and you need to type here disk part. After you type in disk part, click enter. After you clicking enter, it will give you another option like this, and in this area you need to type option you will type over here list disk space disk, and then press enter. After you pressing enter, it will show you all the disk part you have in your PC. Like I have two disk part. One is my computer disk, that is 298 GB, the primary one, and then I have disk 1, that is my USB disk. So these two disks are showing over here, and whatever space they have, they are showing them all. But now we need to type another things, that is we will select the disk. We will select the disk. So for that, you need to type over here select disk. So let me type select disk, and we will type over here select disk 1, because our memory card, I mean the USB is disk 1. So I have typed this. After you press enter, it will say disk 1 is now selected disk. That means my USB is selected now. Over here we need to type clean. So after you typing clean, enter once again. After you enter, it will say disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So the work over here is done. Now we need to go back to computer. We will minimize it. Let me minimize it, and now on the USB you right click and format. Click on format, so it will start to format. Okay, start. Now okay, and done. So this is also formatting done. Now we have to go back to our disk management once again. As I said, you type disk management, these options will come, and now you can see that my USB is whole USB unallocated. Before it used to show two space here, one is 1.78, 1.97, now it's 3.75 GB, all unallocated. So we have to allocate them now. Right click, new simple volume, next, and then again next, and then again next, or if you want you can choose your letter. Like for me, I will keep it G as it is, and then you need to click next. So next, and keep it as it is, the file system and allocation, but volume level is the name of your USB. So whatever name you want to give to your USB, you can type it over here. So like for me, I will write a new name over here. I will write my 4 GB USB. So you can type any name you want. as you wish. So after you typing that, press next. After clicking next, and then click finish again from finish. Now it will start to work. This is working now. As you can see, now it's already inside my 4 GB USB. That means it's done. Now let's check it. Okay, see, now before it used to show black, now it's showing healthy primary partition 3.7 GB. That means it's done. You see, now my 4 GB USB is showing 3.73 space out of 4 GB. That's it, guys. That's how it's work. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please share and comments.